delicious and healthy Mediterranean diet plan for vibrant living. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of the Mediterranean diet, a delicious and heart-healthy way of eating that's not just about food, but a lifestyle that promotes overall well-being. If you're looking to nourish your body with wholesome ingredients and savor mouth-watering flavors, you're in the right place. Let's get started with a simple and effective Mediterranean diet plan. Note: before starting, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure that any dietary changes align with your personal health goals and needs. Meal plan: breakfast, Greek yogurt parfait. Ingredients: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup fresh berries, blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons chopped nuts, almonds or walnuts, 1 teaspoon chia seeds. Instructions: A. In a bowl or glass, layer Greek yogurt. B. Top with fresh berries and drizzle honey over the berries. C. Sprinkle chopped nuts and chia seeds on top. D. Enjoy this nutrient-packed, protein-rich breakfast mid-morning snack. Mediterranean hummus with veggie sticks. Ingredients: 1/2 cup hummus, carrot and cucumber sticks. Instructions: A. Dip carrot and cucumber sticks into hummus for a satisfying and wholesome snack. B. Hummus provides a good source of protein and healthy fats. Lunch: quinoa and chickpea salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup canned chickpeas, rinsed and drained, cherry tomatoes, halved cucumber, diced red onion, finely chopped feta cheese, crumbled Kalamata olives, sliced extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, fresh herbs, parsley or mint. Chopped. Instructions: A. In a large bowl, combine quinoa, chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, feta cheese, and olives. B. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. C. Toss gently and garnish with fresh herbs. D. Enjoy a hearty and nutritious salad. Afternoon snack: fresh fruit and almonds. Ingredients: mixed fresh fruit, grapes, apple slices, or orange segments. Handful of almonds. Instructions: A. Pair a variety of fresh fruit with a handful of almonds for a satisfying and energizing snack. B. Almonds add a crunch and healthy fats to keep you feeling full. Dinner: grilled Mediterranean chicken with roasted vegetables. Ingredients: chicken breast, marinated with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and Mediterranean herbs, rosemary, oregano, thyme. Mixed vegetables: zucchini, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes. Couscous, optional. Instructions: A. Grill the marinated chicken breast until cooked through. B. Roast mixed vegetables in the oven with a drizzle of olive oil. C. Serve the grilled chicken over a bed of couscous, optional, and accompanied by the roasted vegetables. D. Enjoy a flavorful and satisfying Mediterranean dinner. Dessert: fresh fruit salad with mint ingredients. Assorted fresh fruits: watermelon, pineapple, kiwi, and grapes. Fresh mint leaves. Drizzle of honey, optional. Instructions: A. Dice the fresh fruits and combine in a bowl. B. Garnish with fresh mint leaves. C. Optionally, drizzle honey for sweetness. D. Indulge in a refreshing and naturally sweet dessert. Conclusion: there you have it, a day of delicious and nutritious meals inspired by the Mediterranean diet. Remember, it's not just about the food, but also about enjoying meals with loved ones, staying active, and savoring each bite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips. Thanks for joining me on this Mediterranean journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.